Welcome back to Hopeful Heights Foundation's College Application Guide. Today, we'll explore how to leverage extracurricular activities and leadership roles to strengthen your college application. We'll cover why these experiences matter and how to make the most of them. Let's dive in. Extracurricular activities and leadership roles can be influential factors in a college application, providing a comprehensive picture of a student beyond mere grades and test scores. Extracurricular activities are not merely hobbies, but key indicators of a student's interests, commitment, and skills. Colleges value students who display dedication and passion outside the classroom, as it reflects positively on their character. There are numerous avenues for getting involved, ranging from sports and clubs to arts and community service. Each type of activity brings a unique perspective and value to the college application process. The most important aspect is to find activities that genuinely interest the student and remain committed to them over time. Genuine passion and consistent involvement are more impactful than a long list of short-lived endeavors. Depth of involvement signals dedication and personal growth, which colleges appreciate. It's the quality of participation that matters more than the sheer number of activities. Deep involvement in a few areas, showing commitment and excellence, is often favored over a superficial engagement in many. Extracurriculars also aid in developing crucial soft skills like teamwork, leadership, and time management, which are highly valued by colleges and beneficial for future academic and professional endeavors. Striking a balance between academics and extracurriculars might be challenging but attainable through effective time management. Maintaining strong grades while being active in extracurriculars is essential. Keeping a record of involvement, roles, and achievements can facilitate the application process and help reflect on personal growth. Leadership roles, in particular, demonstrate a student's ability to take initiative and inspire their peers, qualities sought after by colleges. Combining extracurricular and leadership experiences can tell a powerful story about a student's preparation for the challenges and opportunities of college life.